Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Thursday, August 11th. I was looking for an unchanged type day. We talked about the idea of rejection at higher prices. The market did rally back up towards the end. We can see Asia firming up, and I'm not looking for a dramatic move to the upside today, but I am looking for an up day today, a stronger close in the NASDAQ market. If we take a switch over here now and take a look at what's going on in the currencies, the US dollar was weaker across the board. We can see here in the euro, the euro did indeed firm up. I do not look for strong follow through in Asia right now. We're seeing a little bit of weakness. I'm looking for that to continue throughout this trading session. I'd be very surprised if we can get beyond the high that you see here right now for the euro. Now, the British pound did trade above its bullish level. Now, the magnitude change between the bearish and bullish level in that market, the amount of money is $750. That's what that represents. I don't look for a big move up or down in the British pound. I think a sideways move here makes sense. In the notes, a little disturbing to me to see this rally, but it makes sense if you think about what's happening with the stock market. However, I do not look for follow through to the upside. I'm looking for weakness in this market. And in gold. Gold gave us a rally, but again could not hold on to it, and we are seeing some selling coming into this market right now. I do look for follow through to the downside. I'm looking for a down day today in the gold market. Now silver, if we look at what happened here, here is the bearish level, here is the bullish level, and you can see yesterday we traded through that level. The magnitude change between the bearish and bullish in that market is $1,700 a contract, and I look for a sideways move in that market. Over here in copper, we also got a nice boost. It gave us that rally, but just like the other metals, it failed to hold on to it. Now the difference between that bearish and bullish level there is $500 a contract. I'm looking for a sideways move, but I'm looking for it to hold its own in this range, about a 2 to 3 cent range. In energy, let's see what's going on there. Crude oil backed off on some very strong fundamentals when it comes to supply, and this makes sense to me. And to see further weakness, I wouldn't be surprised to see that a dramatic move to the downside. I'm not looking for that. The market's kind of absorbed some of the news that came out regarding supply. I do not look for a strong move back up. Now the difference between this bearish level and this bullish level, that magnitude change, is $1,200 a contract, to give you a feel for what that represents. And in soybeans, I was not looking for much of a move. It didn't give us much of a move, basically a sideways move. From my point of view, though, I thought we'd see more weakness in this. I expected a down day in that market. The magnitude change here between that bullish and bearish level in that market is $200 a contract. And again, I'm looking for a sideways move today in soybeans. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me, and I'm looking forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.